Using Blender for furniture is quite convenient. You can make changes to furniture very quickly for your customers. Blender can be used for both visualization and production. I will show you step by step how many panels your designed furniture will require. In Europe, the Middle East, and the East, MDF or particle board is mostly used. For custom production, the thickness is 18 millimeters. America uses plywood more. We will go with MDF here. In your project, you should design the objects to be 18 millimeters thick. Otherwise, your cuts will be wrong as a result of an error. First, you need to select the furniture. Use Ctrl-A to reset the scale and rotation. Open the scripting workspace. You need to paste the code I will give you here. You can change the name for the cutting list at the top of the code. After running this code, it will give you a CSV code. Go to Cutlist Optimizer. Click on the CSV Import option. You can enter the plate size you are using or the extra plate sizes you have available below. The plate size we are using is 2800 by 2100 millimeters. You can enter the extra number here. The reason for this is so that the project does not end if the number of plates is insufficient. Then press the Calculate button. As you can see, 18 plates were used, which is 81% of the total. We have 19% waste. You can use this waste in your future projects. If you use Blender for furniture or architecture, please like the video and mention it in the description. Stay tuned for more videos.